At Polypipe Building Services, we feel it's really important to recycle and do our bit for the environment. As individuals, as departments and as a business, we need to act in a responsible way and do our bit for the next generation.
Our raw materials are becoming scarcer. Global warming is a reality. We're seeing it every day in our everyday lives. By us recycling products and materials, especially packaging, we're doing our bit to ensure that the future is sustainable. As a manufacturer, we produce a lot of packaging, so we use a lot of raw materials in our packaging. So it's important that we get a circular process in place so that the packaging we're using and sending out, we can bring back and we can reuse in our processes.
A couple of years ago, we decided that we put a lot more focus into the area, put some dedicated resource in place, try and define what other waste streams we could get after, things like card, wood, packaging. It came from the team. The team felt that we could be a lot more sustainable. If we managed the recycling processes ourselves, it'd be a lot better.
We're trying to show people that there is a better way, there's a different way of doing things, and with a little bit of effort, we can reuse a lot of products that currently end up in landfill and general waste.
Any scrap or waste that is accumulated around site comes to us. We sort through it and separate it into each separate waste stream and then dispose of it in the correct way. The first one we've got here is clean metal. The one just next to it is unclean. Then we have the wood, and then the one on the end is just a general waste. We recycle quite a lot in-house, so the pallets that we repair will go back down and get reused, whether that be in the factory or the warehouse. And we've recently started a scheme where our customers send back the material they receive from us. So that could be pallets, that could be U-frames, just to try and keep that loop of recycling going as much as we can, you know, because the more we use, you know, the better for us, it's more sustainable. We've got two balers. The first one we use for LDPE, which is low density polyethylene. And the next one is cardboard, which is corrugated cardboard, thicker stuff. And what we do, we bale them and then we send them off to a separate company to be recycled in the proper way.
Advantages are numerous. Anything that is managed well is a lot more efficient. The site is tidy, inventory stock is readily available, it's to hand, it's in correct locations for the colleagues, there are less vehicle movements to and from site, and we're affected a lot less by fluctuations in price, which is really relevant at the moment. The future of the scheme is to keep putting more focus in, to keep putting more resource into the area. Up until now, we have primarily been focusing on our in-house recycling. We will be expanding with our external supply chain partners and doing a lot more with them in the future.
It's important that we work with our suppliers, but it's also important that we work with our customers and that all of the materials we buy and bring into the business have a recycled content to help save the resources in the planet again.
Recycling is just one element of our overall sustainability strategy. We have a clear strategy and targets for 2025. We want to lead the industry in recycling and waste, innovate, driving new areas of growth and develop our colleagues. Climate and water management solutions are key. We want to help the built environment be more sustainable and resilient.